Hey everyone! Today we're talking about the new AI image generator that's making waves, Reve. You might have already heard about it since it recently launched in beta. The cool part? It's currently free to use. You can access it at reve.art and start generating amazing images right away. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Reve AI has ranked incredibly high on the Artificial Analysis Image Arena Leaderboard, even surpassing big names like Midjourney 6.1 and Google's Imagen 3. That's pretty wild, right? I've dropped a link to the rankings in the description so you can check it out for yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Reve AI to create stunning YouTube thumbnails for your videos. Sounds good? Let's get started. Head over to reve.art and sign up using your Apple or Google account. Super easy, no hassle. Once you're in, you'll land on the Create or Explore page. Look for the prompt box at the bottom of the screen. Here's a key tip. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. You can also choose how many images you want to generate per prompt. Now, let's add a prompt. For example, if you're making a video about a new VR headset called Bix 3, you could type a futuristic YouTube thumbnail featuring a high-tech VR headset called Bix 3, set in a sleek, sci-fi environment. Then, just hit Create and let the AI do its magic. Here's what makes Reve AI super powerful. You can edit any generated image by tweaking the original prompt. So if you like a design but want a different color scheme or background, you can refine it with just a few words. And that's it! Boom! You've got yourself a fully customized thumbnail in minutes. Easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video. And if you want to stay updated on the latest tech tools and AI tricks, subscribe to the channel. Got any questions? Drop a comment below and I'll help you out.